So I'm going to put the digital date over here, because if I have room still left on this paper, like say over here, I'm going to put the digital date here and start my next writing assignment here. We don't want to just go to a new piece of paper after we're done, because we don't know how much of this we're going to have. So we're going to just make sure we're saving it as much as possible. And today's writing assignment was asking your opinion if you would like to hold the little sea animals in your hands or not. Sorry, I keep moving around. And in my opinion, that's how I'm going to start this. In my opinion, I would like to hold a sea animal because I think they are really cute! Explanation mark. So do you see how I didn't finish all the lines on the paper? That's okay. So you can stop here, have your digital date, and then when our next writing assignment starts, you would write the digital date here. Okay? Maybe it'll be Thursday. I'm not sure yet. We shall see. Okay? So make sure you have your capital letter, you have your finger spaces, correct punctuation, and you are supporting your opinion with a reason. And you can always make sure that you have that by using the word because. Okay, good luck.